Hi, everybody! In the last issue, we talked about how to grow strawberries. We will reveal, did the strawberries planted last time germinate? After a long wait. Now it's day 20. Strawberry seeds have been. Grows a little bud. The next thing we have to do is put the shoots. Transplant into the seedling cup. But the buds are still too small. When it grows a centimeter tall. Suitable for transplantation. Let's continue to observe. Time goes by. It's day 35. The shoots have grown to be about a centimeter high. We dug one up. Let's take a look. Its root system is already strong. Ideal for transplantation. I found two vaccine cups. Gingerly bury its root thread. Vaccine chunks are preferably slightly acidic. Meat tips or nutritious soil are okay. Water it again after planting. After washing the strawberries, warm and cool. Just put them on the semi-yin hill. After a while. This is day 60. The shoots have grown to about 5 to 6 centimeters high. Now to transplant the shoots into a larger dish, so that his root system can thrive. The soil quality requirement is still half nutritious soil. Mix well. Let's take a look at the height of 5 to 6 centimeters. Dig it out now. See, its root system is very full. Next, we're going to pour it into this larger plate. Same here. Let the soil be buried under its root system. That's it. Finally, remember to water slowly. Let the plant have an absorption process. Let the water slowly penetrate. This video is here. If you want to learn more about fruit trees, remember to follow me. Hi, everybody. A senior middle farmer. 1,000 pinches of figs. Generally, the head diameter is 1 centimeter thick. The branches of this way have a higher survival rate. Now, this is a tender branch. This was cut a month and a half ago. You can see that the root system is full. Grows well. Let's take a look at this breed first. It's called green-skinned figs. The fruit is very sweet. It doesn't appear to have fully ripe fruit. It will also taste sweet. Green-skin red meat is the characteristic of this variety. Cuttings are more difficult to survive. But figs are a thriving. Strong disease resistance. Varieties with strong regional capability. Appropriate use of cutting methods. It can also make it lush. First, spray the trimmer evenly with the grab. Do a good job of disinfection. When selecting branches, we just need to cut out. A length of 10 to 15 centimeters will do. If the branch is too long, it will divide into 2 sections. Picked up. Only one leaf is left to absorb water. Cut branches. Put it in a bowl with rooting water. Let the branches absorb rooting water for 3 to 4 hours. After 4 hours, fry at both ends of the branch where it is to take root. This makes it easier for the branches to absorb water. Get a few more mineral water bottles. Fill it with water or tap water. Insert the branch into the bottle. Let the water soak just where the branches are going to take root. After finishing, put it on the ventilation for ventilation. And half young indoor will do. The next step is to be patient. 15 to 20 days. During this time, you need to wait for the branches to grow roots. To proceed to the next step, the video comes here first. Did the fig branches soak out root buds? We will reveal in the next issue. Want to know more about fruit tree stones? Remember to follow. Hi everybody, I'm Senior Zhilong. Last time we talked about green-skin figs. Seedling method of shoot strips. Let's take a look at SAIC now. Did the hairy branches germinate? After the 17th day, you can actually see the fig sticks. Quilt. A small bud spot has grown on the hydroponic site. Our next step. You need to transplant the cultivated branches into the soil. But now the bud point is too small, until the bud point becomes a rhizome, so that the transplant has a higher chance of survival. You still need to wait about a week. Now it's been another 7 days. That the bud point has become a rhizome. You can continue to the next step. I found 2 larger plastic boxes. There are also several longer self-sealing straps. And coconut bran. Coconut bran is a coconut shell, kind of natural fiber that falls off during processing. Organic adhesive. After packing the night sky into the bag, insert the branch. The depth should reach about 5 centimeters. Then bury it and seal it off. To keep him from accumulating water, multiple small holes in the bottom of the bag. It's good for ventilation. Put all the good figs in the traffic. Pour some more water into it. Stick like this. The bottom of the inserted fig can also absorb water. Then circle a small hole in the lid of the bottle cultivated before. Inside onto the mouth of the bag. Let the water slowly penetrate into the branches. It's been a while since I got here. Water multiple times during this period. The root system of figs can grow normally. Time flies. Transplanted into the tender fig branches. Another 15 days passed. Let's take a look now. Obviously, now we go in and we see that the root system is full. Very developed. They're growing new leaves. From selecting branches to the present, 40 days have been recorded. The roots of figs are very absorptive. In order to improve the quality of fruit trees, we're going to put the figs in the bag, transplant to a larger plate. Figs do not have strict soil requirements. Both slightly acidic and dangerous soils can grow. Transplant figs. Be careful not to damage its rhizome. Above. What about the coconut bran? We don't need to clean it up. Plant directly on the original soil. Plant in new pot soil. The first watering needs to stir out the mud, so that the root hairs of the fig can absorb the water. And good figs. Just put it in a ventilated place with astigmatism. The video is here. If you also like planting, want to learn more about fruit trees? Remember to follow me. Hi everybody, I'm Senior Zhilong, and now this fig I planted it. 2 years. He is now harvesting the first ripe fruit. Because my fruit trees are too small, but his fruit is wild and fruitful. I am very happy. I also pick them carefully one by one. This variety is called Glass Red. It is a kind of available, excellent variety of solid red large figs. It is one of the fig varieties introduced into the United States. It has good dietary value and nutrients. Moderate consumption is good for human health. Both the elderly and children are suitable for eating. For growers, the yield of glass red figs is also good. Simple management with less harm, and it has certain advantages in the market. The planting income is very good. The only drawback is that this variety of figs is intolerant. It is not resistant to transportation. This is a common problem with figs. The fruit of the glass red fig is more round. Multi-layered soft round or oval. Bright peel. Mostly fuchsia. The average fruit weight is between 70 grams and 100 grams. This variety is a permanent genus of the jackfruit subfamily. It's thriving. In winter, it will lose all its leaves. It is a warm and humid climate plant. Soil requirements are not strict. Slightly acidic or dangerous soil can be planted. The fruit starts to bear fruit in April. What about the variety of figs? New fruit and old fruit hanging on the same tree at the same time. On the tree, but mainly autumn fruits. The fruit ripen July in Argwongsi side. Good quality. After picking these, let's cut the fruit open and take a look. See what it looks like inside. And how does it taste? Let's wash it first. The fig helps you pick its fruit. A white milk will spill from the branches. This white milk is protease. This protease is irritating. People with sensitive skin, it's best not to touch that white effusion. It is also known as the blood of figs. There is slight decay. It can also prevent some small bugs or pests and diseases. So figs. It is also a green fruit that does not produce insects. Now let's cut it open and take a look inside. Its flesh is red or light red. The pulp is delicate and smooth. It still smells clear. It's really mouth-watering. So is he good to eat? I'll just have a taste. Soft, waxy, and sweet taste. It's really refreshing. So that's it for the video. If you also like planting, remember to follow me.